Hello everyone, welcome to my video on how to use Raycast for Miku Dance. Once you have loaded your PMX model, we shall begin. First things so you're aware and everything, if you have a skybox for your MMD stage model, get rid of the skybox because it will be a pain in the ass later down the road. So once you have deleted the skybox from your model in the PMX editor, we shall begin. Go to load the ray.x file, give this a few seconds. Once the model has turned white, we shall load a skybox from the Ray Effect model folders. Go to Skybox. I like to use the Helipad Golden Hour model. Load the PMX model. Now, for me, I like to get rid of the Display G access. Go to the Effects. Apply the effect to your model. So go back to your Ray Effect folder. Go to Main. You load the apply it to your model. As you can see here, the effect is now working. Press apply and OK. Now we will load directional lighting. Go to the main effect folder, go to lighting, go to directional lighting, press OK. Now you will see this new object which is actually invisible. I like to move this about here. Go to select the other bone, move it about here, I guess. Now for the R plus, G plus, and B plus, I like to move them about here so the lighting is a bit enhanced. Register all them, go to your front, make sure all the lighting looks correct. It seems like it's worked pretty good on this model, so play around with the RGB lighting effects so your model looks as good as it can be. Now, load a stage that you would like. Now, apply the main.fx file onto the stage that you just loaded. As you can see here, this is why I say get rid of the skybox. The effect is going to cause issues and you do not want the stage model to have a skybox that will interfere with the other skybox that you just loaded for the array effect because it's going to cause technical issues which I can't really explain right now, so yeah, just be aware of that. Oh, and side note, personally I like to do this just because I like to use multiple skyboxes. This is just a me thing because I like to use that golden hemisphere and time of day. Let me load it for a second. Use the non-fast version. Press OK. I don't know. In some cases, it actually makes the lighting look a bit better. The shading can be enhanced a bit. This is just my preference, so if it doesn't look as good to you, just please consider this is just my opinion on lighting stuff, so you can mess around with any of the skyboxes that you like, and if this helps you, I'm glad because most of the Raycast tutorials are way too long, and I just want to make a super quick one, so hope this helps you. Bye!